Now we want a before and after. You can do a piece that's very simple, or you can add those nice little design cuts specifically for that picture. It's very important the colors that you choose and the size of mats. So we have this piece here that's very simple. It has just a single mat, and it looks real pretty. It's kind of colorful. But if we add just a simple little design, now we can add a cactus in, and it's very similar to the cactus that you see in the picture. So it makes this mat absolutely unique for this picture. So just by adding something very simple, like on this one here, we might have added a little starfish, or maybe a sailboat or a palm tree. That makes it really nice because it's unique.